Now I'm gonna hold it for a few seconds and it will turn on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if someone know how to fix this, please let me know in the comments below, and I will be more than thankful. The car start normal when it's hot, when I have started the car, after I have started the car in the morning. This happened every morning, but as you saw, the car cranked and turned on perfectly. The only problem is that it takes too long. When I'm putting the car key in the on position, I had to hold it there for a few seconds until it turned on. I had to do that every single morning. So if you guys know what could be the problem, please let me know. Thank you.